Mission accomplished.
Let's go!
Spikes rushing because we almost caught fire sa kitchen. The smoke was so bad, we had to get out. My throat was itching and I was coughing. I was scared that it might affect the performance.
Okay. We're gonna go to the venue na right now. So, that's it. Ang mga artist natin nasa van na. Load na rin kami ng gamit kanina. So, eto ang artist natin. Mga dancers at singer.
Positive lang, guys. Kaya natin.
Let's go. Nakarating lang natin dito sa Avant-Garde Residence. Logbook lang para makapasok yung equipments. So, eto na sila. Alright. Let's go, let's go. Ang ating head dance for you.
Let's go!
Let's go! Positive lang!
Yes!
Ayan, ayan.
Dating namin dito, nag-rehearse kami, and sobrang pawis. As in, para talaga akong naligo. Tapos, wala pala kaming hoodie, wala kaming dressing room. Kasi, hindi naman talaga itong, alam mo yun, na masyadong siguro marami nag-perform. I think dalawa lang kami nag-perform. So, they didn't expect. But, bahala ka lang kasi meron. I assume na meron. So, just may perform. Ooh! Let's go! Ang saya namin because we already have this room all to ourselves. Spike got this for us kasi he saw me. I was on the floor, like, almost crying na parang, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I have makeup artists and hairstylists coming over. Saan kami mag-aayos? And yeah, he's just making things happen for me. I love this guy. And I love my life. Hey! Punta natin silang nag-set up dun sa booth. Hi, Kuya! We're also preparing and the booths are still empty. I'm just so lucky because I have my team, of course. Spike spearheading everything, and I have Diana and Jazel here. Sila yung angels namin, and alam na nila, sanay na sila pa nagbo-booth. They know what to do. And that is how I'm able to do everything that I want to do kahit ang dami kong gustong gawin sabay-sabay. It's because I have these people and I'm so blessed and eternally grateful. Oh, wow, this is your,
Yeah, this is our tarot deck
Oh,
and
this is
oracle
so
deck.
nice. Ay, okay lang, no?
Oo,
Oh, I love it. It's
design
matte.
yan.
So lucky!
Concept
Oh
design.
my God! How
So,
much,
marunong
guys?
ka
Oracle deck.
Ilang decks kayo?
Ito oracle deck.
Ito 44.
Bakit ang dami?
Order. Hindi, 78 lang to. Makapal lang
440
talaga siya.
GSM.
Ah!
Yeah, makapal lang talaga yung ano niya, yung
Ito gloss,
quality ko.
ito
Nasaan?
matte.
Sabi mo muna yung quality ko. Sabi.
Oh my God, how much? May
May
box?
ano,
Pouch?
ano siya, may pouch siya. Pero for pre-order sis, kasi ipapaprint pa namin. For mass.
Yung pinupost mo? Ito ba yan?
Ito, hindi ko wala akong pinupost
Wala
na gawa.
pa.
Yung
Ngayon ko
pinupost
lang
mo,
ito
ano yan?
nakita.
Ay, yun din.
Oh
Parang
my
ano.
God.
Ikaw gumawa.
Yun lang
Ah,
namin.
shit.
So, collaboration namin yan, dalawa. Yeah.
Pero hindi pa siya isang bundek.
Ito, Oracle deck. Ito, Tarot.
Ayan
Ayan na yung price.
Deck siya. Ito.
And then these are also for sale.
Ito siya.
For sale din.
Oo, lahat yan. Maliban dito, saka dito. Pero the rest, oo.
Ano tayo? Sa stage?
Naka-all black
Saan?
tayo.
Sa stage?
Dito sa booth mo.
Against the light. Pero sa booth na lang.
Sayang naka-all black tayo.
Cause I did it, yeah, I did it for myself, now I do it for the kid. The girl of your dreams, baby, that's me. You want some, but come get it. I'm gonna take holding now. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba?
It's easy to float away. Mystical Empowerment Coach and Certified Soul Purpose Coach, Ms. Kishan K. Uman. Hi everybody, how's everyone doing? Let's give her vibes up. Come on guys, how's everybody doing? Yeah! Let's go! Yeah, my name is Kishan Umali. I'm also called Mika Umali. And ito guys, syempre we're in the digital world, right? I'm also a certified soul purpose coach and a spiritual life coach. And that's the power of surrender. Naging inspiration ko, of course, is my family, especially my children. It's inevitable, but we can choose. So that's it. Thank you very much, everybody. And my name is Mika Umali. I'm so grateful.
Immediately after my presentation, I headed straight to the dressing room to have my hair and makeup for the look that we're doing for my performance. And I'm breastfeeding, so if you'll see a tiny hand, that's a baby.
Right now, we're here at the executive boardroom while waiting for Mika's turn dun sa sing and dance na number. Pero 5 minutes na inantay, nagwawala si C. Yan yung problem namin ngayon. So, tingnan natin what will happen later. Right? Ito. Yeah. Mama. 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 Excited?